This will be the perfect session to recover yourself and cope with stressful phases in life. First, lie or sit down and make yourself comfortable. Take a few moments to get aware of your natural breathing. Register the flow of your thoughts and make a note of your current emotional state. Don't try to change anything, just register your starting point. Now, we expand our inhalations and let our breath go through the mouth. Inhale deeply into your belly, then transition into your mid and upper chest. If you can, expand your inhalations even further by taking it up to the chest and fill it up to the most capacity. Then let it go again. Start deep from the belly and inhale in a wave-like motion towards your neck. Don't force anything. Let your inhalations expand naturally without tensing up your neck. We will continue this way and keep our respiration speed relatively slow. Now take your last inhale fully in and let it go. Hold your breath on empty lungs. Now take a full inhale, hold it in your chest for 15 seconds. And let go. Now let's start the next round. If you'd like, you can also inhale through the mouth to increase the intensity, but you don't have to. Now, I invite you to inhale a little faster, but still as deeply and fully as before. Keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. Don't push the air out, just let it go. Deeply in and let go. Belly, chest, and let go. Feel the power, the energy, maybe a tingling in your fingers or a little lightheaded. One more inhale and a long exhale, and relax on empty lungs and hold your breath. Just be and feel. Take a full inhale. Hold it. And let go. Let's start the third round. Increase your breathing pace even more. Belly, chest, head, and let go. Feel the energy of your breathing reaching every part of your body. Belly, chest, and let go. In a big wave-like motion, you fill up your lungs with air and let go again. Now take the last full inhale, let go and hold your breath on empty lungs. Let's take a full inhale. Hold it. And let go. Now take your last inhale fully in and let it go. Hold your breath on empty lungs. Take a full inhale. And let go. Thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this session. Oh yeah, and you also can sign up for my Breathwork Academy or just subscribe to my guided breathwork library if you're just into guided breathwork videos. Thank you. Bye.